Hello everyone, it's Monty for the Polka Dot Pinecone. I'm here to share with you a quick video on the Simonsaysstamp Mandy's Flowers card kit. So with the card kit you get a little sample of some work that people have done, some ideas and stuff. And then you get the Simonsaysstamp. It's called Modern Flowers Cling Stamp, and it's a really cool flower background stamp. So you can make some really cute things with that. Emboss it, stamp it, color it in. Really pretty. So you get that stamps, background stamp. So they've been doing a lot of in their kits lately. They've been giving a lot of like 2 different stamps, so that's kind of cool. So anyway, that stamp. And then there's the Simonsaysstamp Mandy's Flowers, the 6x8 clear stamp set. So it's got these really pretty flowers with a circle, a fence, flowers in a pot, flowers in a mason jar, and then flowers in a vase, little hearts, a little sprig of leaves right there. And then we got a for you, a thank you, with love, a special gift for you, thank you, with thanks, for everything, for your kindness, for your love, pick with love, from my heart to yours, and grown with love. There's also this little, I don't know even know what that is. It almost looks like a clock hand, but it's not. It's just a decorative thing that would probably be cute between some of the sayings. So anyway, there's that set. And then you also get 12 single-sided papers, pattern papers, and they are from ByMonti Early Bird collection. So they're pretty florals, some butterflies, some more florals with a white background, that pretty pink one, a stripe, a flower. Hopefully I got those in camera. There we go, a little bit better so you can see. Kind of a geometric blue. There's some birds that are in the yellow. Some more florals with a pink background, a dark blue with the florals, and then a script piece, and then these with the teacups and butterflies. So really cute, single-sided, 12 sheets of that. Then there is a piece of, it's 8, let's see, it says it's 5.75 by 8.2 sheet of tonic powder blue lace luxury embossed paper. It's really pretty. Hopefully I can kind of catch the light to show you there. So really pretty piece to accent some of your designs. And then there is a package of Doodlebug tiny hearts, sprinkle enamel shapes. These are so cute. Doodlebugs things are so cute. Anyway, so there's a lot of them on there. There's 98 of them. So a variety of colors that match this set, plus you could use them on a bunch of different products. And then there is a tiny bottle of Nuvo Crystal Drops. It's bubblegum blush. It's a tiny little bottle compared to, here's the regular bottle of the Nuvo Drops. So it's a tiny little thing to give you a try at it if you've never tried it. I love them. They're a lot of fun. And then you got this little 1 yard of May Arts natural twine string burlap. So you could use on, like, tie a bow around your flowers or something. And then you got 1 sheet each of the Simonsaysstamp cardstock in cotton candy and 120-pound white. So you could use those for your bases or accents. So anyway, cute set. So I just want to show you what all came in it, and then I will be back soon to show you what I make with it. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me, and subscribe to my channel, and check out my blog at Thepolkadotpinecone.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Thepolkadotpinecone. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.